Oh, fuck. Is that a ticket?
Sure is.
God damn it. Overnight truck. Notice of violation. He wasn't fucking around, was he?
Sorry, Christian. Alright, so we just woke up. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. We're going to pick up the trailer so we wouldn't get one of these violations, which we got anyway for Warren's truck because it's too big. So we're going back to Christian's current work and getting the trailer, and then we're heading out to Bruce's
take a left hand
to pick up the notch. So that's what's going on now. Brent, where's Brent at, Nick?
He's sleeping.
Brent's sleeping because he's like heartbroken. So he's lonely and got drunk last night, so he's kind of hungover a little bit. So anyway, we'll meet back up when we get to CP's work and hooking the trailer up.
So we're down here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Came here to pick up Bruce's Mustang. We've been here, what, how long? 2 hours waiting for these guys to put up the battery in. I don't know what's wrong with these guys. Nice shop though, I mean, they've got the nice new light they just installed. Check it out.
Now they got a lot of Mustangs here, but the car was supposed to be ready at 10. It's now 1 and we're still waiting on it. And they have a badass 93 Cobra here, supercharged, built R block motor. I think they just got Bruce's car started, and we're ready to pick the car up finally. So I don't really want to show too much in here, so I don't know if he wants us to video or not, but that's the 93 Cobra Teal right there. A couple notches, S95s, S197s, torch red right there. Fox bodies, race cars. So anyway, we're picking up the car for Bruce, heading back to Indiana with it. We're gonna repaint it and stuff. These guys been dicking them around. So we're gonna do you right, Bruce, and do the quality work that you like, because he definitely ain't getting it here.
Go move his car.
All right, Warren, so what's going on?
We got fucked. Drove an hour to pick up. Where did we pick up? Where's it at? Oh, ghost thing.
What happened?
So we get to the shop. They're supposed to be done at 10:30, and here we are. It's 1:45. The car's still not done. The guy told us 2 minutes. I'm like, all right, I'll time it. He's like, all right, two and a half minutes then. That was 2 hours ago. And he starts the car up. It doesn't even idle, and idle surging. Got belt squeal.
Sounds like it has a fucking Vortec on it.
Yeah, sounds like it's got a little Vortec on it, but it's NA.
Wouldn't even sell his fucking Cobra, 93 Cobra.
Yeah.
Bitch ass.
So anyway, we're gonna go hit the fucking gym because we're pissed. Bruce, we're not mad at you, brother. We know stuff goes on, and we're on your side. So we're gonna pick up the car tomorrow.
He'll be in better hands now.
Yep. So we'll get the car tomorrow, and we're gonna get Brent up because he's still hungover. So we'll see you guys, I guess, later, or we're gonna continue this video for tomorrow. Ooh. Alright, it is 8:01 in the morning. We got Warren behind the camera, Warren G, and we forgot the keys, or Christian forgot the keys to the body shop. So we had 5 guys in here, 3 in the back, 2 in the front, and we're going back to get the keys off the Lincoln Town Car because we took the Saleen this morning so that we could correct the paint, and Rollo's gonna ceramic coat it. So Rollo's gonna show us some tricks, that way we can be certified in ceramic coating. And
Gotta go to school. Gotta go to school.
yeah, so right now we're gonna haul balls, go get the keys, come back because they're waiting outside, and then we're gonna go to Jupiter Donut. Is that what he said?
Jupiter Donut? I think it is.
Donut. Look at this. Ooh, 1st to 5th, that's what I'm talking about. Jeez Lewis.
Jeez.
These FL lights are crazy long. All right, Nick, tell us what's going on today.
So we got Warren here putting some ceramic glass coating from Pearl Nano on. So what that's doing is it's gonna make it's like Rain-X on steroids. It's actually gonna last though, not like, you know, 2 months, 3 months. It should last a year unless she uses the wipers quite a bit, and it will wear off just because of its abrasion. But it should help the ride home when it rains, and it should last a little while.
So we're here at Christian's work at this body shop. We're the only ones here today. And we have his Bullitt Saleen tribute car. It's a real Bullitt, but he did a tribute car like on Transformers. And Nick has compounded it, polished some of it. He's getting ready to ceramic coat it, so we're getting it ready for that. Brent's been doing the driver's side, and Nick did the passenger side. What do you think about the products, Brent?
I think the product's awesome. I think that Nick did the passenger side because the driver's side is the best side, so of course he's going to save it for me because I'm better than Nick. Just kidding, guys. Nick's pretty good. But no, the car turned out awesome, but it got painted last year, so the paint's only a year old. There's imperfections in the paint, you know.
It's a daily driver, though.
Yeah, the car's hot. Love it.
Christian built it to beat on it and daily drive it. He did have to take the police logo shield off the fender. He kept getting pulled over for that. And he didn't want to get impersonating a cop. So anyway, Nick Rollo's right there. Some of you guys probably know him from his Coyote, and he's going to actually start his own YouTube channel probably this spring and show you guys how to ceramic coat, prep cars, stuff like that. So whenever he does his channel, I will link it in the description and stuff like that, but it'll be a couple months. So as you can see, the car's looking mint. So we're going to ceramic coat it probably in about an hour or so. And we'll be back once you do that, I guess.
TK wrote his name in the windshield. Remember that last night? The TKO on the heart.
You know you're in South Florida when you find iguanas falling out of trees. Let's go. Hey, did you get in a wreck?
Yeah, use Geico. You won't break your neck.
Use Geico, you won't be. Alright, so right here, guys, we got Iggy. He's our mascot of Florida today. It's a bit cold down here. But Christian said they just get frozen like this. He's fine. He'll thaw out.
Yeah.
And
it'll look like brand new again tomorrow.
It'll look brand new,
It's
just
supposed
like
to be in the 70s tomorrow, so it'll be like brand new.
So we're gonna go set him out. I mean, here he is.
Cousin, this is what he looks like normally.
So
not frozen, but oh, get that frozen.
it's all right. It's just,
wake up
you know what I'm saying? Like,
I don't mind anything.
so anyway, we're gonna let him sleep. And Christian, look, come on, Nicky. she is. Now there's rock chips and dings in it, but it's not bad at all. Especially for a Florida car that gets driven daily. But ceramic coated, it's got a base coat, top coat. It's all prepped correctly. Nick really showed us how to do everything. We didn't really show on the video. Maybe we'll do a future video of showing you guys how to apply it and stuff like that. Brent and I are just now getting into it. Nobody around our house really does it. So we'll show that. Nick's gonna continue to stay with us in Florida for another almost week. And then when we return to Indiana, he's gonna be in our town for another week. So we'll probably end up doing the fastback, maybe my 03 Cobra, maybe Brent's 58 Corvette. So there will be more videos of this coming up. So you guys stay tuned. And now it's about 1:30. We've been here since 7:30. So we're ready to go get some food. So everybody's ready to leave. We found dead iguanas, which is pretty cool. Warren and I went to this little ravine over here, try to get some Florida alligators. There's none. I think it's too cold. But today's the warmest day so far. It's 72. It's been in the 50s. So we're gonna go enjoy some weather. We're gonna take the dually, probably ceramic coat it one of these days. We got almost a week left here. So you guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for some more videos of our adventures, and we'll be back. So thanks a lot.
Slim Shady, hotter than a set of twin babies, and a Mercedes Benz with the windows up when the temp goes up to the mid-80s. Calling men ladies, sorry doc, but I've been crazy. There's no way that you can save me. It's okay, go with him, Haley.